Hello guys, thanks for coming to my channel. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $360 a year just to install 3 different apps, guys, okay? And stay tuned to the end though. If you really want to make even bigger money, I'm going to show you my way, okay? So let's get to it. This is my blog, guys, workanywherenow.com. And let's go to the first app that you can install, okay? So, Slidejoy, okay? All the links for these 3 apps are going to be in the video description, so don't worry about it. You will get access to this. So, Slidejoy, first of all, this is something that's only available for Android users, okay? Android smartphones. This is not for people who have iPhones, as I think iPhones, I guess, don't allow this on their phones. So what this is that all you gotta do is install this app on your phone, and then you're gonna get paid every time you unlock your phone. So what happens when you go and unlock your phone is that you're gonna see an ad on your phone. Now, whether you're gonna like that ad or not, it's up to you. You can, if you don't like the ad, you just swipe right. And if you want to look or learn more about that ad, you can swipe left. So when you swipe left, it will take you, it'll open up your phone, and then it'll take you to the website or app that the ad was related to. So basically, as you use more of these the longer the app is installed on your phone, the more they can learn about what you like. And then the ads will turn more tailored to your taste, and then you will be able to interact more. Now, don't think that, swiping left will get you earn you more money. It doesn't. They say that because they want to make sure that you are swiping right and left honestly, because they want your honest opinion so they can learn what you like. Because of this, they're not going to pay you more or less because of you liking an ad more than another ad, okay? So it really doesn't matter. They want your honest opinion, and so they're going to pay you whether or not you engage with the ad. So if you don't mind having ads pop up on your lock screen, then this is the app for you, and you can earn money that way. They say it's approximately about $5 to $15 a month, around there, for this app, okay? So once you install it and I guess set up your account with them, then you just go about your way and using your phone as usual, okay? So that's the first one. Now the second one is called SmartPanel. SmartPanel is, again, all you gotta do is install the app on your phone, and then what it's going to do, it's going to work in the background of your phone to collect the data of the usage of how you use your phone. Now, first of all, it's not going to collect personal data, your private information. That's what it says on this website, and it also says on the FAQs that they don't collect your personal information, so you don't have to worry about that. And these guys will pay you up to $60 a device a year for you to just have it installed on your phone. So if you install it for like in 2 or 3 devices around your house, then that's your $180 a year just to install it and use your devices as usual, so they can just learn more about how you use the internet. And why they want to collect this data is so that they can remarket to you later on different platforms, people who are advertising to you, like Facebook and other areas that you may go on the internet. So they're just collecting data on what you buy, what you like, what you don't like, what you visit, what websites you visit, stuff like that. So it doesn't, another concern that people have is about battery draining, and this app says it doesn't really drain your battery too much more. It's maybe like a little percentage, but it's not so much more. See, how does it work? You just gotta sign up. Basically, you gotta sign up and make sure you put your information, have your account set up. So once you qualify, and then you just install, and that's it. And then you just enjoy 3. See, you do nothing. You actually do nothing, and you just got to install these apps to earn this money. And so here it says privacy. It's just a background app that is just going to collect data as you use your device, and it's not going to collect your personal information. And what they're going to use it for is to help the companies that you're using, the information that you're using on different platforms. Those platform owners can use that data to see if they can make it a better experience for you, and that's how the data is used. Okay. Now, the third app that you can install and make money without doing anything is using Panel app. This one, again, you just install on your phone, and then you just set up your account with your information, and then you're going to just start collecting points as you use your phone. Now, if you want to earn even more points to make it faster, then you can do other things on this app, like doing surveys and earning points for different activities that you can do on here, and you could earn even more points. Then you could redeem it later on. And now this app, you can get paid up to about 120 bucks a year. It just depends if you can maximize your points by doing more of these other things, like taking the surveys and signing up for sweepstakes and whatnot. But even without doing any of that, you can just earn points just by using your phone like this, guys. So, I mean, it's some money, but it's not a lot of money, guys. Okay, so guys, that's the three apps that you can download on your phone today and start earning from these apps. But again, these apps are not going to earn you a lot of income. If you want to learn more about how to make good money online, like a monthly passive income, then I would suggest you check out the first link in my video description below, because the program that you're going to get into with that first link is going to be something that will really teach you how to earn passive income. Earning passive income is one of the best ways to make money online, because you are going to be able to go on vacations and earn money while you sleep. This is how you can get your time back, guys. This is how you can grab control of your life back. It's by building a real online business that can really earn you passive income. And in order to do that, you need to follow a program, a blueprint of the steps that is necessary for you to take to earn this way on the internet. And I have done that. I have joined this program, and it has really helped me earn thousands of dollars a month. And I do this every single month since last year, guys. So it could take some time to reach that point, but guys, this is what hard work can achieve. Okay, downloading these little apps here and there, yeah, it'll earn you a little bit of money, but it's not consistent money, and it's not a lot of money that make you quit your job or something. So I mean, you're on the internet right now, and you're looking for a real way to make money online. So why don't you just stop wasting time on these little things and make some real money right now, and click that first link in my video description, okay, and join me. All right, so I will see you on the next video, guys. I hope you like this. Give me a like if you did. Subscribe, and so you can learn more about how to make money online, and hit that notification bell so I can tell you when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? All right. Check you later. Bye.